Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'll be talking about some certain websites that you need to see. This website to help you work with templates. On top of the list is uizad.io, app.uizad.io. So they have wonderful templates. It's just like Figma, but it has its own touch and feel. It also has paid templates and it also has free templates. So I'll advise you to come over to this website, take a look at it and see what you can do. Okay, look at this now. This is a low fidelity mobile wireframe without images, just like what I taught you guys earlier. Then this is one with colors. This is a high fidelity one for a chat app, and all these are achieved just by drag and drop, similar to Figma. You don't have much to worry about. Just look at it. The interface is almost like Figma. It also has its own preview screen where you can preview what you're building. So these are the certain websites I just want to talk about in this video for you to go through and see which one you prefer. You might even end up not working with Figma again, but it's a good thing that I showed you guys this site. So as you can see, it highlights the buttons and the ones that I already have prototyping right in them. It also has this typing feature. Figma also has this. So come over to this site, play around with stuff's there, and let's go to the next one. The next one is Screenlink. Screenlink just has, I think they're no longer actively updated, but they have some features, let's say start to finish of a particular app. So if you're wondering maybe how does Trivago work, how does Snapchat work? Okay, for example, if I click Snapchat now, you will see all the designs for Snapchat, from the start screen to Snapchat username to enable camera to what have you. This whole loads of screens on Snapchat. So that's just it for that one. The next one is Siteco. It also has a filter that allows you to play around, and you can see I just clicked e-commerce brown templates for an e-commerce site, and look at it, the site is live. You can just come in and check all these sites and get inspiration. You can screen grab the total site, then start to design your own template from scratch. So as you can see, this site is also wonderful. The second site I visit is maintenance mode, but I think that's just for that. So the next one is awards.com with 3W. So awards.com gives some websites awards, site of the day. Yeah, you can come here and see, I'll click websites, you see it will load and it will show me particular websites that won site of the day. And wow, trust me, you'll be wild of what you're going to see here, because some people's design level are so awesome and they're being awarded the site of the day award. So look at this one. I think it's a developer's portfolio, but look at how intuitive it's looking. Added 3.js here, added a lot of functionalities on this site. I'm sure it took him some time to develop, but look at the function inside. Very wonderful. No much clutter, no much color. The background feel when you're moving the mouse, it's also noticeable. So it's a lot of live moving 3D stuff on this particular site. So seeing this alone gives you motivation to see what you can do. Then this is the second one I opened from that site. I think this is a popular brand, IKEA. So as you can see, they did a lot of 3D stuff here. So I just click this door, see the door just opened, and you know, this is wow. So wonderful animations going on here. So I can select a stool and skip for info. You can see, I feel all these items are what they sell. So once I click the lamp, it's telling me details about this. Confirm wish, see credit card for payment. They just did wonderful stuff here. Seriously, this is way more than I was expecting. And the next page will be One Page Love. One Page Love has inspiration, templates, and resources for you. So take your time to pause this video, play around, going through all the sites to see what you're looking for. So as you can see, this is a template for a wallet app. You can click the demo. You see the demo, just look at how it's looking nice. You can actually purchase it. If you want it for free, here's the button, get for free. But just pause all this video and go through all these sites. Then the last one is Dribble. I've said this earlier. Dribble.com always with triple B will always be one of the top sites where you can see paid and pro templates. They also have a team features. These are where you can get wonderful sites templates. So okay, look at now, this is a digital agency. Look at how clean the design is with illustrations, images, and icons. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Welcome back, guys. In this final video, I'll just add some free bonus. So I've attached this link to show you 50 plus free tools and resources. Here's a caption: you're only as good as the tools you use. I really agree with that. So this link has a lot of options to typography, tools, illustration, photos and video, where you can get custom photos, maybe if it's your license, copyright license on the free level, animation and effects. Just try and check this site out. You see a lot, trust me, lots of stuff you need to use as you're working in your design journey. And most of them are likely free, but if you want to upgrade to the paid level, that's fine. You can always make that decision to get the best out of what you want. So here is one, cover.co. Let's say I search e-commerce now. I search e-commerce, see it's loading. It showed me a video of someone unboxing and packing Amazon Prime parcel. See, yeah, certain places it will also show you related shorter stuff, videos to the particular keyword you searched. So just take your time and go through this link. See for colors, for typography, where you can get a lot of assets for free. So just take your time, pause this video, go through this link, play around with what you find in this link. You can CSS icons, things you can embed in your stuff. So see you guys in the next course.